Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. I'm here again with our second signal of the day, and the second signal is going to be on AUDUSD, aka Australian dollar per US dollar. And as always, with no more time to waste, let's head to the calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we are on our calendar, as you can see, currently the sellers are beating down the buyers because 90% of the market is pushing down on this currency. And currently they're forming a bearish momentum. That's why I have chosen this trade to be a selling trade. And even with all positive grades that this currency has taken for the next week and currently in this week, if we go to the high impacts, we can see that there are some news at the end of the week on Thursday and Friday that are going to help us with our trade and help this bearish momentum that is currently forming in its market. So as always, news are not enough. Let's head to the chart, see what we have. Let's go. Okay, now that we're on the chart, as always, I have pre-drawn some zones for you. This blue zone is our trading zone, and if I want to break down the details about why I've chosen this trade to be a selling trade, because there are a lot of equal highs. Actually, there were a lot of equal highs here that are taken by this move currently now, and this move is having a bearish momentum that is going to help it to fall down so soon. And this green area is showing me a really powerful resistance. As you can see, the move to the downside started from here. It started with a powerful momentum to it, and now, as we all know, we have all of this liquidity above these levels that are taken by this move to the upside, and we can kind of expect it to fall down in a bit. Okay, as always, what I want from you guys is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this pretty for you guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, that's it for today's video, and as always I have to mention that it's always up to you when to open up your trades. and we don't force anything on y'all, and it's only a recommendation. And I just wanted to say something and then end the video. Riches do not come from the mere possession of goods, but from the wise use of them. Use all of it wisely. Have a good time and peace.